everyone, Alexis McKenzie with your local loan to home team here in Regal Palms, a wonderful townhome community in Davenport, Florida, not far from Disney and wonderful theme parks. The townhomes here are 3 and 4 bedroom, 2-story, and the best part is they come with all of these amenities. So you can see behind me there's a water slide, a lazy river, a swimming pool, a playground, sand volleyball, tiki bar. Inside, they have a resort spa. They have Frankie Farrell's Pub and Grill. They have an arcade, an ice cream shop. All of this stuff for your vacationers to enjoy when they stay in your vacation rental home. Let's go check it out.